Hey y'all, welcome back. I am doing a quick tutorial on a little spring naily nail. So we want her pretty. I'm using Bridal Veil by Hyba Beauty, and they actually have the lacquer, gel lacquer, and regular lacquer. So for the sake of this, I'm laying it thick. You want it a little less pink, you just add less, that's all, right? That is our pink. And I am going to cure for 30 seconds. Okay. That's Bridal Veil by Hyba Beauty. I will be also using Gel Veil by Hyba Beauty. That is their non-white polish. I'll be using Hyba Beauty's Mirror Gold. Hyba Beauty's Mirror Gold. I'll be using Not Polish Color Glow Getters and Not Polish Tropicool. And this is the Hyba Beauty chrome pen. I'm just gonna use it for the sponge, okay? So that's what we're using. Okay, our girl has finished drying, and I'm just going to put a little toppy coat. So that has finished drying. What we're going to do is put some Hyba Beauty's non-stick matte top coat. And we're gonna put this all over the nail. And we're gonna cure for another 30 seconds. 30 seconds has passed. I'm going to be using a lint-free wipe to just wipe on top. Ooh, so velvety. We're gonna use the Gel Veil 3-in-1 in Blackout. And I am going to use my handy dandy brush. And we're gonna make a couple vines with some leaves. Look how smooth. So smooth. This is so smooth. Very simple leaves. We're going to press and pull. Press and pull. Is that how easy that was? So we're gonna do it on both sides. Press, pull. Oh, that one kind of messed up. Press and pull, press and pull. Just pull it a little bit, and we're gonna repeat that. So we're doing that until we have our desired amount. This is how we're looking so far. And we're gonna cure for 30 seconds. We are now going to use Mirror Chrome by Hyba Beauty. Honestly, it's so good. You only really have to use like a dab from the top. So get your sponge or whatever roller you use. Makeup tips. Like look. Oh, stop it. Like dab dab, look like gorgeous. And of course, the more you rub, the more mirrory it becomes. Now we top coat, shiny top coat for 30 seconds. And I'm using Hyba Beauty Super Shine. So 30 seconds. All right. Now we are going to make our flowers. I have my number, I think it's a number 4. Something is always on my brush, but anyway. We're gonna put flowers here. Well, I think I really want it here and like one area there. Let's see. So I'm using acrylic, so of course I'm gonna dip, and I'm using both. So you want to dip first, tap, and then tap. I want the pink inside, so I'm gonna release like this so the pink can be on the outside. We're gonna repeat that. Kind of tap that one dry a little bit. All right. I added some acetone to my liquid. Okay, so we're gonna press out and open that one while that one kind of dries. We're gonna do the same thing, and you could tap it. I want that one like so. Gonna open it out. And I'm going with the tip down, okay? Going with the tip from the pink, and I'm pressing down and out. Ooh. Down and out. Right, so we're building this flower. So we want a little bit more of this color. I'm doing a little bit more than before. Try it a little bit. I'm putting this one smack dab in the middle, in the center. And then I'm gonna start the other one because I'm doing it on top coat. Do the same thing. Tap it dry just for a little bit. Lay her down. Get it a little too dry. And did. Tapped it once this time. Right. So I want this out here. Uh-oh, the nail. Very pretty. Right? And you can make a hole if you're gonna put your beads right there. I need this one coming right from in the center. Right in the center, and I'm pressing down and out. And we're going around, right? The tip, we're gonna tap, pat very gently, pink face down. We're gonna do another one. Uh-oh. I don't think I need to pat this one. Acting like you didn't want to go down. We're doing the same thing. We're coming from the tip. We're gonna press down, right? So tip, down. And you pat gently, right? Same thing for this one. Tip and then press down and around. We obviously need a middle, so we're gonna do one more. I want a pretty petal. So I'm gonna put that one in the center, pink down. And I'm gonna go from the middle that way. So I'm going here. And open. It's so pretty. And here's where you could add whatever. So I'm going to add some small gold beads, some silver gold beads, and a little green accent on the side. You can be as creative as you want to be. Uh-oh. I am using some top coat to place for primarily where I'm going to put the gems. So in the middle, of course, I'm using my cart. I'm just using a little in the middle of these, and I'm actually using the tip of a brush to pick these beads up. I just dab right, silver and gold action. All right, so pretty. It's so pretty. And I'm gonna put a little right here, right next to it. The very minute ones, I just need a little bit of color splash that won't, you know, overpower. So maybe like 3. See, not too much, not too much. Add a little gold and silver bead right here. Right, not too much, not too much. And then we're gonna go right here just a little bit as well. The top coat just like kind of makes the gems, the stones just kind of melt into the nail. So I put the top coat, just a dab of top coat first, and then I put a little squeeze of the rhinestone glue gel. And I promise you, the stones don't move. The stones don't move. The stuff don't move. Like once it's dry, they're trying to run away. Once it's dry, like boom, that's it. They stay. And of course, we're gonna cure for 30. And here we are. Final product. Very spring. If you're looking for something a little bit different to do. Very nymphy. Very easy, very quick. And keep practicing your petals one bead at a time. Press them low, press them high, press them flat. I did do them on top coat, so it was a little bit slippery, but this is very pretty. Don't forget to like, subscribe, comment, and share. I'll be uploading More soon. This is so pretty.